kahapon?
Alas 3 na daw as, alas 3 Kuha ng si Adam. Hindi ko pa sa katulog. Ang matato. Ayun na yung paglalabot. Kaya gumagawa. I needed I was so full. Sir Fred, good morning. Good morning, Cheryl. Huh? Just Cheryl? First like, thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Ayaw magpupunasa. Second, I love you. Thank you sa like. Exactly, Cheryl. He only said just Cheryl. Yes, not. Why? Why no love? Yes, that's why. Oh my God, what's happened? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? You'll forever be. My God, thank you. You got some explaining to do, Mike. Yes, you need to explain to me. Exactly 5 weeks from right now, belonging in Manila. Yes, I'm coming back. 5 weeks. Pag mainit ka, hindi mo balikasan mo na. Yay! Shadow! Shadow Wolf. Yep. Yes! Hmm. My God. Yeah, they line up. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Kasi parang nagsabi, tayo nag-serve. Kaya,
Para makapit naman namin ano.
may landing tayo.
0.9 times 240.
0.9 times 2 ito, ha? 240.
Hmm. 8 pound pressure. Hello.
Hi! I buy fish. I buy fish.
Ako,
216.
Hello.
Ha? 0.9 times 240. Pira? 216.
216 din. Ay, 240.
216.
216. Ano?
Doon na lang. The fish man selling time for rice and dried fish. Yeah. Nyap, nyap. Ay, an isda. Wait lang. May wait. Oh my God. Kanina ako gabi dito sa bag. Dito, tapos baka lang ako tutulog lang.
Umayo ka mo ba kayo dyan?
Semi-Kes George, huh? Good evening. I live in French. Diana, I want to send you a... Maybe you live in France, not in France. Maybe you are French and you live in France, something like that. Hi, Sir Marcos. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much, Marcos Brat. Super chat, thank you. A membership available, comments are free, just be respectful to the host. This is not dating site. Exactly. Yeah. That's right. Not dating sites. That is wank. Wherever you go, whatever you go, I will be right here. I need somebody who can let me know. Thank you, Tawas, bro.
Pero mama ko lang ko.
Kuha nga ng mga 20. Ha? Okay lang. Kape naman na eh. Thank you so much. Hay, nang samhod didi may. Nawara na, samhod. Oh my God. Come on, it's coffee time. Ang kura? Ang kura na kwarta? Ha? Pero ang kinuha mo? Thank you! Ha? How much? Ah. Kape-kape! Good boy! Behave ka dito, Gab. Mag-araw ng mabuti. Pagwa ko ni kahapesot. Kagwapo ni Gab. Yeah, kagwapo talaga. Kagwapo na kami ako. Oh my God. Oh my God. 10 million in the house. Efendi bisa minyar blablabla. Oh my God. 5 weeks to go. Yay. Nah. 5 weeks. God is good all the time. Idaita, hello. Good morning. Hello, Idaita. When are you going to meet with the apartment? Afternoon, because my brother working today. So after his work today, I'm going to afternoon here. And that's it. I want king size bed. Something like that. I think me double or queen size. There. In cameras and bedroom. No camera. Because need privacy. Camera in bedroom. CCTV. Sheryl, I told Mike just buy the full mattress you can fold and put away. Just fold. No need buy bid for other room. Okay. Just a mattress that need to fold. And okay. Okay po. Use other room for study or storage. Maybe the other room is for the tampo. When he made a tampo, I'll go there or you will go there. If company, you just put mattress on floor. Okay. Yes po. I think Mike will have more tampo than you. Ha? More tampo? Why? Because she spend much money here. Maybe, oh my god, Cheryl, I'm broke. Or maybe something like that. He will make tampo. Damn, hot-headed hubby. Second bedroom will be punishment. Punishment room. Don't talk to me. Don't see me. That's punishment room. My God. Hi, Owen. With chains, Mike. Chains? To chain people down. And whips. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Say hi to Daddy Mike and Sir Fred. Hello. Say hi. Abang no him. Smells good. Bye-bye. Gusto mo ba yung te? Ah. Hello, Ashley. I'm not single. Wait. Don't forget the paddle. What the? Don't forget the paddle. No worries, I will bring the paddle. Maybe Mike said, Sir Fred, what the fuck, Fred? Wow, I'm choosing the crazy woman, Filipina, Sheryl. Help me. Help me to get it out of here. Mike, we're going to scare Sheryl before you even get out. Scare me? Why? Are you scaring me? What happened? What is that? I think it's the other way, Cheryl. You're choosing the crazy American, not crazy Filipina. I think it's the other way. You're choosing. That's why we both crazy. Sir Fred, the owner of the apartment is foreigner. So, I think that's why the price is good. Friendly price. Beautiful, like luxury, something like that. I'm sorry I corrupted you and Mike and my crazy channel. Okay, no worries. No worries. We're going to go, we're going to your, mansion, Sir Fred. Cheryl, when you go back, if you see neighbors, ask them about flooding. No flooding because no flooding because the area is high. That's why my brother's finding too long. We tired finding the place because that place is high and good location. Yes, to Uncle Freddy's Mountain Resort, up 79 steps to get there. Oh my God, 79 steps. Oh my kulay. Believe me, Cheryl. Ask anyway. Okay, I will ask. If you Google it, mentions flooding. Okay, I will ask. Nyep, nyep, nyep. Yeah. That's okay. We will stay on second floor. We stay on second floor. Oh my God. We stuck on second floor. It looks beautiful, but always ask neighbors about the area. Okay, I will ask. But I think that's good place, Sir Fred, because the neighbors is having a good house. It looks good. Pusakan! Hello! They know the good and bad. Yeah. Yes, that's why when I'm going back over there, I will ask something like that. Yeah. Hey Pusaka, how are you from Mike? Looks can be deceiving. Ah, okay. Oh my God. Maybe later I can't join this stream, Sir Fred. 9 to 5. Bra to 5. Brown out. Oh my god. And then internet not fixed yet. Always happen here. Always brown out. Sir Fred, my love, Mike, I need to end the screen because I need to clean here at the room. So I will call you, honey, after clean a little bit here. The room here, over there, outside. I love you. I will call you, my love, Mike. Mwah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pusakal, for joining. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Always. God bless. No problem, Pusakal. Yeah. I thought short. I put up last night. Oh, was good, but I didn't get many views. Ah, okay. I will look. Thank you, guys. Love you too. Oh, ma. See you later, my love. Yes. Sir James. Sir James. Sir Fred, Sir James, make the video. Hey, so good to see you. Makes my daily a little better. Thank you, Sir James. I will check while I still have a tita. Thank you po. I need to end the live because I need to do something here. Because I can focus when I'm doing something while I'm doing live. So, distracting. Thank you po. Bye-bye.